So today is officially the day we are getting ready to explore. We're gonna go ahead and throw some air in the tires because, as you guys saw in the last video, we popped those things off and we have the originals on. They don't hold air so well, so we're gonna put some air in them, take the Explorer to the dealership, trade it in, and then we'll show you guys what the new vehicle is. Yep, just a little low. We're good. All it's left now is just throw a little gas in it. We'll take it up to the dealership and say goodbye. Well, we made it. It's the new car. So, as you can see, we just left the dealership, got back home, and that car is sick. It is a 2013 Yukon Denali. Thing is an absolute tank. It reminds me so much of my truck that I have. You guys didn't know, I have a 2011 Silverado, so it's almost the same thing, but not quite. It's just like a way higher trim level compared to my truck. Yeah, the thing is awesome. Huge upgrade from the Explorer. Unfortunately, like I said, it is sad to see the Explorer go. We put a lot of time and energy and work into that thing, but with the motor issues that we mentioned in the previous video, it is time for an upgrade, and this is a huge upgrade. So let's go ahead and take you guys outside. We'll give you guys a full tour of the I keep wanting to say Explorer, of the Yukon, and let you guys see inside, outside, all the little features and whatnot, and then go from there. So let's go and give this thing a start up real quick so you guys can see how many miles are on it and what it sounds like. You can see there, we got 129,000 miles on it, so not bad for a 2013 Yukon. You can hear there, it sounds pretty good. 6.2 liter V8, so got a nice deep throaty tone to it. Overall, everything looks pretty good here on the cluster. We'll go and move over here to the door panel now. You guys can see we got heated seats, we got memory, so it's adjustable. We got the power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors. We got the adjustments for the headlights and interior lights, as well as the fog lights. And then below that, we've got a full towing package. Now, as far as the center console goes, we have a Bose audio touchscreen, digital climate control, different little cubbies here for drinks, and I believe this is like for sunglasses. Go ahead and show you guys in the center console. It's pretty deep, still quite a bit of stuff in there. We also have a 12-volt accessory and a USB plug-in, so we charge your phone and stuff in there. Pretty nice. Also got a sunroof, which is kind of cool. I want to show you guys this. One touch with a full power sliding back, and then it'll also tip up. And then on the key fob here, you guys can see here we have lock, unlock, remote start, open the hatch, and of course the panic button. Then we'll move on to the rear end here. You can see it's all leather interior. We've got a digital climate control for the rear end to control that. We also have heated seats in the back, as well as this DVD player. I don't know how necessary the DVD player is, but it is kind of cool to have this. We've also got the WeatherTech floor mats all the way throughout the vehicle, and then of course the third row back seats. Go ahead and move on to the back here. You guys can see here, it's got the power opening lift gate. And then you guys can see here how much room we have in the back. These seats are foldable, so we can put them down. And then we can also fold them up to give us even more space and take those rear seats out. So there's quite a bit of space in this vehicle. And it also has a little push button here on the tailgate as well, so it'll close down. Okay, so we'll go ahead and show you guys underneath the hood now. It is a 6.2 liter V8. all-wheel drive. It does have the active fuel management, so it will go from 4-cylinder to 8-cylinder, but overall this motor is pretty powerful. Only issue with the interior, as you guys can see here, it does have a slight crack in the dash, which is pretty common on the GMCs and Chevys. Exterior wise, super clean. You can see there we got the chrome grille, we've got the 20-inch chrome GMC Denali wheels, disc brakes all the way around, which is really nice. Chrome moldings, handles, running boards, all that good stuff. No rust on this vehicle, super clean. Back end, you guys can see here, we've got the backup sensors, full towing package, as well as a reverse camera. Always like these taillights, a little bit different from my Tahoe or an Escalade, a little bit of like the Altezza style, which is cool. Like I said, very clean, straight body, no dents or anything. Very nice for the mileage. Now you guys got to see the Yukon, and I think it's sweet. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I think it's a huge upgrade compared to what the Explorer was. The Explorer made for great content and all that stuff, but it was just like the off-road build, and it made a little progression here and there, but we could have went so much further with it. Now having this new Yukon Denali, the thing is awesome. 6.2 liter, big old V8, all-wheel drive, air suspension, full towing package, leather interior, you name it, it's got it. It's pretty sweet. So with that being said, I think we'll go ahead and end out the video here. You guys can let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Was it a good upgrade or not? And probably won't feature it too much on the channel unless we do like small things to it. I know my mom had mentioned there's a couple things that she's not a huge fan of. One, it's got the dash cracks. I don't really know if we can do anything about that. My truck just got one crack in it, so I know it's very common with the Chevy from that generation. And then of course the interior is that kind of old man wood grain. I know she's not a fan of that, so maybe that's something we could vinyl wrap in the future, but don't expect to see that vehicle on the channel very often. It'll just be maybe just one or two little small upgrades, and it definitely won't fit in this garage. It's way too big. So with that being said, hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.